The features of your backyard create a scene which unfolds during a warm summer morning. Your backyard atmosphere brings you fresh air and presents a morning star which begins to rise while your tree bears peaches that appear golden and blushing with perfection. You reach up, twist one gently, and take a bite. The juice runs down your fingers, and accidentally you realize this is the flavor of Odontic fruit. Home peach cultivation transformed into a horticultural practice which enables people to experience something exceptional. The process requires three elements: dedication, essential upkeep work, and occasional instances of enchantment which unfold throughout your garden. I will demonstrate to you how to cultivate peach tree in your home garden through this beginner-friendly tutorial. Step 1. Choose the right peach variety. Each type of peach requires specific environmental conditions to grow successfully. The first step is selecting a variety that suits your region. Peach trees require approximately 1,000 chew hours, which consists of winter months, where temperatures stay between 32 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. High chew varieties should be selected by residents of colder climates. Low chew varieties should be selected by residents of warmer climates. Also, decide between three stone peaches. Fresh separates easily from the peach, great for eating fresh. Clings stone peaches. Flesh sticks to the peach, great for canning. When your area lacks sufficient space, a dwarf peach tree serves as the best solution. These plants succeed in both container gardening and compact garden spaces. Step 2. Pick the perfect planting spot. Peach trees require sunlight which they need for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours every day. Peach trees produce sweeter fruits when they receive more sunlight. Choose a location that has full sun, has well-draining soil, is protected from strong winds, isn't in a low-lying frost pocket. Peach tree refuse to tolerate roots which exist in waterlogged condition. Compost and sand should be mixed into your soil to enhance its ability to drain water. Step 3. Planting your peach tree. The best time to plant is late winter or early spring when the tree is dormant. The process involves these steps. 1. Create a hole which has a double width of the root ball. 2. The bottom soil needs to be made less dense. 3. The trees should be positioned at the point where its base palms sit slightly above the ground. 4. The area needs to be filled back with soil while you press down lightly. 5. You need to water the area until it becomes completely saturated. After you complete the planting process, you must apply mulch around the plant base while maintaining a distance of several inches from the main trunking selection. Step 4. Watering and feeding. Young peach trees need regular watering throughout their first year of growth. Water deeply once a week. During hot weather, increase watering. Avoid frequent shallow watering. The fertilization process requires you to apply balanced fertilizer during the early spring. Compost serves as an excellent natural solution for your needs. The practice of over-fertilizing should be avoided because it results in excessive leaf development and a reduction in fruit production. Step 5. Pruning. The secrets to bigger peaches. Pruning causes many beginners to feel scared because they perceive it as a difficult task. Peach trees require annual pruning to produce well. Pruning should occur during late winter when plants begin their growth cycle. The goal is to create an open center of vast shape. This allows direct sunlight and air to circulate throughout the entire tree structure. The process of removal includes these elements. All dead branches which contain illnesses should be taken away. All inward branches should be eliminated. All weak and thin branches needs to be pruned. The harvest outcome depends directly on your pruning methods because peach trees produce fruits on the growth which occurred during the previous year. Step 6. Thinning the fruit. Here's something surprising. More fruits isn't always better. The moment your tree produces its initial tiny peaches, you must complete the thinning process. You should maintain 8 inches of distance between each fruit. Why? The presence of excessive peach growth results in smaller fruit sizes, which put stress on the trees. The thinning process helps create larger and sweeter fruits while stopping branches from breaking. The process may demand you to eliminate fruit, but the results will prove trustworthy. Step 7. Protecting from pests and disease. Peach trees attract pests, which includes aphids and fruit flies. Fungal diseases such as leaf curl can develop in trees. The following prevention methods will assist you in your task. Dormant oil should be sprayed during late winter. The process requires you to remove all fallen leaves from the area. The process requires you to remove fallen leaves. Healthy trees exhibit stronger protection against diseases when they perceive appropriate maintenance, which delivers essential benefits. Step 8. Harvest time. This is the moment you have been waiting for. Peaches become ready for harvest when they reach their complete color stage, which leaves no green pin in the stem area. Peaches become ready for harvest. You should never depend on your size as your only measurement method. The fruits become ready for picking when you twist it gently and detach from the stem. The taste of home-grown peaches differ entirely from store-bought peaches. Growing peaches in container. No backyard, no problem. Dwarf peach tree varieties thrive when you plant them in containers that have a minimum capacity of 15 to 20 gallons. The following guidelines will help you with container gardening. Use high-quality potting mix. Ensure excellent drainage. Water more frequently than ground-planted trees. Fertilize lightly but consistently. Repot every few years. You can even grow them on sunny balcony. The patient factor. Your peach tree will require a period of 2 to 3 years before it starts producing fruit. The first year, you see growth. The second year, maybe few blossom. By the third year, magic happens. Growing peaches teaches patience. But when you finally harvest your first fruit, it feels earned. Your garden activity does not end up at planting. When you dedicate to your plant, they start to develop life. Final thoughts. Growing peaches at home isn't complicated, but it does require attention and love. Your tree needs sunlight. Your tree needs adequate area, and your tree needs proper pruning. Your tree will provide you with shade, spring flowers, and summer fruit when you take care of it. Your family and friends will enjoy the special experience of eating peaches when you grow in your own garden. The gardening tips in this guide provide essential information to you. You should subscribe to our channel and enable notification alerts to receive all up gardening content. I will provide you additional detailed guides which will enable you to cultivate your own homegrown food. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.